Hey everyone, in this video, I'll be breaking down Stremio versus Kodi and helping you decide which one is the better choice in 2026. Both are free, both are powerful, and both have loyal communities behind them, but they are very different tools under the hood. If you find this useful, please give it a like and consider subscribing to the channel. Let's jump right in. Setup and ease of use, Stremio wins this category hands down. You download it, install a few add-ons from the built-in catalog, and you are streaming within minutes. Kodi, on the other hand, requires you to manually find and install repositories, then add-ons from those repositories, which can be a confusing and time-consuming process for new users. If you are not particularly tech-savvy or just want something that works quickly, Stremio is the far more beginner-friendly option. Interface and design. Stremio has a modern, polished interface that feels clean and intuitive on any device. Everything is well organized and easy to navigate, whether you are using a mouse, touchscreen, or TV remote. Kodi's interface is more dated by comparison and can feel cluttered depending on the skin and add-ons you have installed. Stremio looks and feels like a current-generation streaming app, while Kodi has more of a legacy feel that takes time to customize into something comfortable. Addon ecosystem. This is where Kodi has historically held an advantage. Kodi's Addon library is enormous and has been built up over many years, covering everything from movies and live TV to music, podcasts, and sports. Stremio's Addon ecosystem is smaller but has grown significantly and covers the essentials very well. For mainstream streaming needs, Stremio's add-ons are more than enough. But if you want access to the widest possible range of content types, Kodi still has the deeper catalog. Streaming quality. Both platforms are capable of delivering excellent streaming quality, including 4K HDR, when paired with the right sources and add-ons. Stremio, paired with Torrentio and a Debrid service, consistently delivers clean, high-quality streams with minimal effort. Kodi can match this quality, but often requires more fine-tuning and troubleshooting to get there. For reliable, high-quality streaming without the headache, Stremio has the advantage in 2026. Device compatibility. Kodi runs on almost everything, including older Android boxes, Windows PCs, Raspberry Pi, and even some smart TVs. Stremio is widely available too, but is more limited on older or lower-powered hardware. If you are running an older device or want to repurpose an old computer as a media center, Kodi is the more versatile choice. For modern devices and mainstream platforms, both work well. Stability and reliability. Stremio is a more contained and consistently maintained platform, which means fewer crashes, fewer broken add-ons, and a more predictable experience overall. Kodi can be less stable depending on which add-ons you have installed, as third-party developers maintain them independently and quality varies widely. If you want a streaming setup that just works without constant maintenance, Stremio is the more reliable day-to-day option. Overall verdict. So, which is better in 2026? For most everyday users, Stremio is the smarter choice. It is faster to set up, easier to use, more stable, and looks great on modern devices. Kodi is the better pick if you want maximum flexibility, support for older hardware, or access to a wider range of content types beyond just movies and TV shows. The good news is you do not have to choose just one. Many users run both and switch depending on what they want to watch. That wraps up the Stremio versus Kodi breakdown for 2026, whichever one you go with. Both are excellent free tools that are well worth having in your streaming setup.